Hey guys, I just wanted to take an opportunity to say hello and thank you for following me and watching my channel as I try to get good at doing wood burning. So this is the piece that I'm doing today. It's very close up. It has, you know, detail, but I think it's going to be a lot easier than trying to do something small and do detail. So this wood, I think, is like a 5x7 or something like that, and you can see I've already went through, I think you can see that okay, and I drew as much detail on here as I could, including like where some of the highlights are for the eyes and whatnot, and I'm gonna try out a few tips with my burner because I got some new ones. So I'm gonna try this spoon. It's a little bit, I have the Walnut Hollow Creative, and this was the tool that it came with, the shader. This is the rounded one. And this is like the, I guess, rounded spoon shader that they have. And if you look at them together, sorry, I'm trying to, they are just slightly, this one over here slightly shorter, fatter. And if you flip it over on the back, this has like a little groove that constantly is digging into my wood and making things horrible. This is more flat. And then I also got this tip, which I'm going to try to, it says autofocus, so I don't know what it's autofocusing, but hey, okay. So there's, this is like a flat spoon shader. It doesn't have a hole in the middle. So I'm gonna try that too and see how it goes. But to start off with, I am just going to use my little ball tip. I wish that they made this in the smaller size because that would be extremely helpful. But if you're just starting out, get yourself either a strainer or one of these things. And then I like to use this little fine mesh down here. There's all different kinds of sizes, but I always start this when it's cool because, and you just rub on it and it will take the carbon off your tip. And as you work, you'll see, like, you can just kind of do this. It doesn't really change. If you use sanding paper, it'll actually sand down these tips and you don't want that. So I'm just trying to get most of the carbon off. And it just depends. This right here is poplar that I'm burning on today. I have tried basswood, and I really like basswood. So the worst wood I've tried is pine because it makes little indentations when you go across the grain this way. Like if the grain's this way, if you're going across, you'll be like bump, 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 bump. But poplar does that same thing, but it doesn't have all the sap. So that's what I like about it. And here's some just kind of sketchy burn things that I did just to see how it was going to act. But the setting that I have, it goes up to 10. Honestly, I start on a 1 because it's so hot when I first start out, when I first put the tip on the wood, that I have to start out somewhere dark, like maybe here by the eye, and work my way out until my pen is kind of cool, or I'll blow on the tip. Ouch! As I first, so hey, look, I burnt myself. As I start going, and that way, when I blow on it, it won't be as hot when I touch things. And it gets hot super quick, as you can tell. I just turned it on. But yeah, this isn't the first time I've done that. Actually, it's like the 4th time I've done that. But anyway, I'm gonna start doing this and we'll see what we get today.